And it's further corroborated by Constable Zungu, who also says or makes the same assertions, my lord.
Naye-ke uConstable Zungu usho into eyodwa-ke noma uyakusho-ke lokho.
Yes, ma'am.
Sifiso Zungu is Gwabeni.
Sifiso Zungu is Gwabeni, yes.
uSifiso Zungu yebo uGwabeni.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done, my lord.
He further instructs me that a new accused number 3, Mr. Mngube. Mr. Mngube was his best friend. That is before the 26th of October 2014.
Yes, I will not dispute that, my lord.
Uyasho-ke nokuthi-ke wayemazi-ke umsola wesithathu uMr Mncube ukuthi-ke bebe umngani wakhe-ke ngempela-ke lo angeke ngikuphikiseke lo.
Sorry, who says 3 was his best friend?
My client, my lord.
Hello, number 4.
Yes, accused number 4.
Okay. Number 4 says number 3 was his best friend.
Yes.
Okay.
They knew each other very well. He further instructs me that accused number 5 was his acquaintance.
I'm not disputing that they knew each other, my lord.
Uyasho-ke nokuthi-ke umsola wesithathu-ke ukuthi-ke umuntu-ke ayejwayelene naye angeke ngikuphikiseke lokho ukuthi bazane.
His version is the following. On the 26th of October 2014, that is, on the morning of the 26th of October 2014, accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, met accused number 3, Mr. Mngube, in Johannesburg, CBD.
I'm listening, my lord.
Uyasho-ke umsola wesine-ke ukuthi ekuseni-ke ngalela langa lange-26 October 2014 wahlangana naye-ke umsola wesithathu ngaphakathi-ke nedolobha eGoli. Ngilalele.
They then traveled in a white minibus Kombi, which belonged to Zenzele Mkhunu. Zenzele Mkhunu was the driver of this vehicle.
Yes, I'm following, my lord. I'm listening.
Babehamba-ke ngemoto-ke eyayimhlophe, iminibus Kombi eyimhlophe ngombala ekwakuye yakhe uZenzele Mkhunu uyena futhi-ke owayeyishayela.
But before that, they went to, that is now on the 26th of October, to Ultra City Liquors in Malvern, where they bought liquor in the amount of 158 rands 40 cents, and that is contained in his bank statement, which was handed in as exhibit EE3 in bracket of the record.
I confirm, my lord, that during the course of the investigation of the bank records, we found such transactions of buying liquor.
Uyasho-ke ukuthi-ke bahamba-ke ngalelanga-ke khona la babeye khona-ke eMelvern la babeyothenga khona-ke iphuzo noma-ke utshwala-ke bakuthenga nge-158 futhi lokho kuyabonakala futhi-ke kuyitatimende zakhe noma kwi-statement sakhe sebhange. Yebo ngiyavuma-ke ukuthi-ke ngophenyo-ke tholakele ukuthi yebo khona-ke leyo mali leyo ekhaziwe-ke la babethenge khona.
He also bought airtime in that morning of the 26th of October 2014 in the amount of 40 rands, and he received an SMS notification fee, and that is also depicted in the bank records of the 26th of October 2014.
Yes, my lord, I do have a recollection of that, my lord.
Futhi-ke wathenga-ke i-airtime ka-40 rand. Lokho-ke ikhona-ke ne-SMS eyatholakala-ke ekushoyo lokho. Yebo ngiyavuma-ke lokho.
The occupants of this minibus Kombi were the following. It was Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4 himself, accused number 3, Mr. Mngube, Mabhungu Ntuli. Mabhungu Ntuli, it's MABHUNGUNTULI. Celimpilo Ndawonde, CELI MPILO NDAWO, WOND, Siphiva Ntuli, SPIVA NTULI, Linda Dlamini, LINDA DLAMINI, and Sikayo Giani, SGAYO JIYANE.
Sikayo Giani.
Yeah, Sikayo Giani. No. Yes.
Abantu ababegibele kuleyo moto ke noma bebekhona ke kuleyo moto leyo ilaba abalandelayo ke uMaphisa uNcube, uMabhungu Ntuli, uCela Impilo Ndawonde, uSiphiva Ntuli, uLinda Dlamini kanye noSikayo Giani.
I'm following, my lord. Yes, I'm listening.
Ngilalele.
From there, this minibus Kumbe traveled to Katlehong in Spruit Mazibuko Hostel. And that finds corroboration or correlation on photo 9 of Exhibit S, where a photo was taken of accused number 4, Mr. Maphisa, with accused number 3, Mr. Mncube. It was on the 26th of October 2014 at 11 hours 52 minutes.
My lord, I can confirm that evidence we gathered that they were together, but the sequence of the events that have been said to me, we can where evidence was gathered, and insofar as this matter is concerned, is at Basutini Hostel, where all 5 accused were together. That is where the discussion or the conspiration, they conspired, and thereafter they departed to the crime scene. They came back, and then this part of the money was shared amongst the accused, and then they went to the different directions. So they were together insofar as Basutini Hostel. As to what happened earlier or that morning, my lord, we didn't look into that.
Base behamba ke beya eKatlehong Spruit eMazibuko Hostel. Lokho ke kuyabonakala ke kwisithombe u9 sange 26 October 2014 isikhathi 11:52 la ndawonye ke naye ke umsolo wesithathu. Thina ke esokutholakele ke noma ke kuphenywa ke esitholileke ukuthi ke ke impela ke ngalelo langa layilo babe ndawonye khona ke eBasuthu Hostel la ababe khona ke ngaphambi kokuthi isigameko senzekeke ila khona ke kwaxoxa ke noma kwaqedwa noma ke kwathatha isinqumo kokuqedwa konke ke mayelana nenkulumo ukuthi kuzokwenzekani base behamba ke babuya ila banikezana khona ke imali base behlukana ukuthi kwenzekani ke ngaphambi kwalokho nanjengoba kushiwo ke kumina nginalo ke ulwazi.
Sorry, Mazibuko Hostel is not Basuthu Hostel.
No, it's not. It's
How
not.
far apart are they? Do you know if you don't know?
Yes, I do. No, they are far apart. So, but
About how far?
maybe could, my lord, be maybe even 8 km. So Basutini Hostel, my lord, it's in Fostoras.
Yeah.
Mazibuko Hostel is in Katlehong.
Okay,
So
wait,
it's two different divisions.
Mazibuko Hostel,
It falls under Katlehong. It's in
Katlehong.
in Katlehong, yes.
right?
And then Basutini Hostel, it's in Fostoras. So it's two
Yeah.
different sections of East Rand.
Okay.
Yes.
Uthi ke mayichaza ke ubrigadier ukuthi ke ibanga ke phakathi kwama hostel amabili ke kungaba amakilometer awu8 njengoba esho ukuthi iMazibuko ise Katlehong uyona ke iBasuthu ise Vosloorus indawo ke lezi ezimbili ezahlukene ke kuyona khona ke eEast Rand.
From there, Brigadier, I'm further instructed that they traveled to visit Mngamuza Gumede. Mngamuza is MCAMUZAGUMEDE, the owner of the Red Polo Playa. That is now on the 26th of October 2014 at 1500 hours, 30 minutes, 31 seconds. And that is depicted on photo 47 of Exhibit S.
You said Mamuza is the owner of the Red
Yes.
Uno.
the red polo plan.
Oh, polo, sorry.
Yeah, polo plan. Can we go to?
I'm listening, my lord.
Uthi ke ngalelo langa bahamba ke bayobona yena ke uNcamuza Gumede